Number 5.
How does an air purifier look? In your living room, bedroom, and dining room. There are various living spaces, and they can even change from time to time. If an air purifier is a part of an interior design, can it become a beautiful objet? When we started our journey to create Louvre, we got our inspiration from nature. Everything in the forest. Stones by the stream, branches, leaves, and the graceful curves of the ridges. And finally, we found the one. Then we contemplated about spaces that have their own personality. We probed the wisdom of great masters in furniture and architecture. Not only the visible beauty, we considered each unique lifestyle. You can use it in 4 different ways, wherever you want. Adaptable posture, slim figure, and delicate colors are all aiming for one single goal: your very own space. How could Louvre become so slim? The fan and the filter from the previous air purifier have been changed, like this. In order to secure enough pressure, we have improved the form of the blades and installed a winglet and stator blades. After going through countless simulations from a proper arrangement, we placed 12 blades. And the central air guide creates a smooth and strong flow of air. As air drawn from all sides passes through a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and carbon filter, hazardous substances are clearly removed. This compact body shoots out 25 single cubic meter boxes of clean air in just 10 minutes. It operates with a sophisticated sensor, which is used to measure fine particles exclusively. And it displays the concentration of the fine particles in colors, horizontally as well. We constantly tested the numerous prototypes and simulated the blades. We bravely changed the design 5 times through the past 28 months. Then, finally, we could get down to making molds. Your precious backing will let us produce your very own products in Korea.
Hey Kickstarter, this is Ro.
And I'm Kim.
When we got our first place after marriage, we wished to have well-designed home appliances which fit in the space like furniture.
But it was really hard to find non-mechanical looking appliances, which goes well with our Nordic interior design. Actually, this is the beginning of Louvre.
Many people helped us make our dream come true, such as a design team based in Denmark and high-level Korean companies working with corporations like Samsung and LG.
We worked really hard to make a product that is simple, convenient, and does not require a lot of effort. We sincerely hope this product can become a part of your life.
Dear backers, we are sure this will help increase the value of your space. But first, we need your help to make our dreams form into the world. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Number 4.
Much better. Life can be smelly. That's why you need Venti Fresh, the best weapon to take out stinky odors. It works like adding ventilation to your trash can and other closed spaces. Freshen up the air. So you can actually relax when attending to this guy. It keeps the smell in this area a lot more tolerable. And it makes sure that you can smell the sweet scent of this little devil right here rather than this. You can install Venti Fresh to your trash can easily. Within seconds, just leave it alone, no maintenance. It's a high-tech ventilation system, combining UV lighting and platinum dioxide technology to break down odor molecules and yield fresh air. A light sensor starts the deodorization when the trash can is closed. Venti Fresh adapts to all kinds of trash cans, and you can use any regular garbage bags. There's no consumables that keep you spending more. And with an additional portable power bank, you can use Venti Fresh all around the house. Such as treating the fridge when needed, under the kitchen sink, and of course, your smelly shoe cabinets. So go get a Venti Fresh. So easy to install and 100% hassle-free. Now that's what I call a clean job.
Number 3.
This is the Insta360 Air. It turns your Android phone into an immersive 360 VR camera, boasting clear and bright VR footage in up to 3K. Switch to VR mode and use a VR viewer or headset to experience your memories in a truly immersive way. Simply clip it on your phone. You'll be ready to capture VR in a few seconds. Ultra portable and lightweight. Take it everywhere you go. Stream your best moments live on YouTube. Use the one-click share function and share your life in 360 with all of your friends on Facebook. Take the shake out of your video. Advanced stabilization algorithms make it easy for anyone to capture smooth and stunning panoramic shots. Turn the Air into a 360 webcam and connect it to your laptop for panoramic video meetings. Available in 4 fashionable colors. Insta360 Air. Turn your Android smartphone into a 360 VR camera.
Number 2.
Hi, I'm Eli.
And I'm Anna.
We'd like to show you our product, Driveslide.
Driveslide is an accessory that lives on your laptop and goes where you go. And no matter where your workspace is, it helps you set up quick, secure the important stuff, get rid of clutter, and keep it together.
Designed to fit in any case or sleeve and to hold any external accessory. Driveslide is thin and lightweight while also being sturdy enough to hold your heftiest hardware.
This idea came to me in November of last year while working on a Netflix show that used external hard drives for data transfer.
She sent me a sketch of the idea and I started working on it in CAD while finishing up my engineering degree. And after months of design changes, we're super happy with the final product.
But we can't bring it into the world without your help. We need to create something called an injection mold, and it costs a lot of money.
So please tell your friends, your family, your tech-savvy nephew about Driveslide, and please pledge today.
Thank you.
Number 1.
You know, sometimes being a kid isn't as easy as you might think.
I mean, we have the ideas, we have the motivation, and we have all the potential in the world.
But sometimes we just don't have the tools we need. That's why we've decided it's time to make our own tools.
So we've created Yeehaw, the only 3D printer designed with us kids in mind. We made it easy to use and 100% safe for kids. It's controlled directly by its cloud system, either online or through its expertly designed app, so there's no need for manually adjusting anything. You can create unique and original designs, pixel by pixel in the app. Or you can choose from an always growing library of more than 2,000 ready-to-print toys. All you need to do is pick your color, press print, and Yeehaw does the rest.
It's fully enclosed by its safety door, so there's absolutely no danger when the machine is printing. If the door is open, or the machine is tilted, or anything else goes wrong, the machine will automatically stop printing and retract its nozzle. Yeehaw is sleek, compact, and see-through all around, which allows you to see ideas come to life from any angle.
All of our filaments are eco-friendly and non-toxic, and they come in 12 different colors.
We wanted to make sure that Yeehaw allowed kids to explore their creativity in whole new ways. We can be innovative in our problem solving. We can dream up new and exciting worlds. We can help each other learn, grow, and achieve our potential.
And don't worry, we made it safe for grown-ups too.
Support us on Indiegogo and share our campaign with family and friends. Yeehaw, the 3D printer designed with kids in mind.